Breaking news we're tracking at the moment. Belgium's court, while rejecting fugitive Mehul Choksi's appeal against his arrest in Antwerp on New Delhi's request, had ruled that his claims of being a subject of a political trial in India or that he was abducted in 2021 in Antigua at the behest of India and runs risk of torture are not factual. The Belgium court has rejected the appeal of Mehul Choksi against India's extradition request, while endorsing a lower court's view that there are no grounds for his claims of flagrant denial of justice, torture, or inhumane and degrading treatment in India. Vishal Vivek has sent us all these latest details. He joins us with further clarity. Vishal, take us through the latest details that have emerged from the Belgium court.
Well, Parameshwar, this is yet another blow to, Mehul Choksi's, aim of avoiding that extradition that India had been successful in getting, but it still remains to be seen how much time it will take actually to send that man back to India. But we have some details as to how this happened, how the top court in Belgium rejected this. We've heard in the recent past that the top court in Belgium has talked about the same thing in similar manner. There have been different appeals, almost all of them have been rejected. In the latest one, it's learned that the top court does not re-examine the facts or decide whether extradition is fair or wise. So that is what the top court has made it clear, that it's not in its authority to re-examine the facts that have already been put forward. Its role is limited to checking whether the law has been applied correctly. And that is what the court has ruled on. It's saying that the law was applied correctly, so there is no room for error here. And the fact that Mehul Choksi team applied for an extradition cancellation, that is fine, but the top court is not ready to take action on that. It has rejected that appeal and said that the extradition will go forward, but it remains to be seen when that will actually happen and how much time it will take to actually send that man back to India.